What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you're subscribed down below. So the hair that we'll be using today is from OMGHerHair.com, and this is their pre-looped crochet boho locks with human hair curly pieces. So I got about 4 bundles and it's 30 inches. It's a thick density, and like I said, this is pre-loop, so we're about to do crochet. But sis, I wanted to do individual crochet because I feel like I use less hair, the hair is lighter, and it is quick. Like, I did this style minus the braid down. I did this in about 2.5 hours, and I'm also loving that the loop of the faux lock is also stretchable, so depending on how thick your hair is, you will be able to widen the loop. So I'm just going to show you my technique of putting on the locks. And also you can get springy hair to wrap around your base since we will be doing individual crochet here. I decided to go with something longer because of how long, depending on how long your braids is, how much inches of hair you will use. When you're wrapping the hair from the base going down, remember that this is curly pieces in the faux lock, so you want to make sure that you're not wrapping the curly hair. So you want to move the curly pieces depending on where it is. So what you're seeing is that I braid my hair down a bit, about 2 inches down, and then I twist the end. When you're doing faux lock, especially individual crochet, you want to make sure that you either twist or braid your hair all the way down. I braid from the root to about 2 inches because that is where I will be anchoring the faux lock. And then if you want to do a little bit of extra, I had a little bit of curly hair from OMGHerHair.com that I have from previous videos earlier in the year, and I just used those curly pieces of hair at the front. I didn't want it to be too full, but in the front I just wanted the curly pieces to be more at the root. And then I'm just showing you my technique of how I wrap. And remember, you're wrapping around each of these curly pieces. I hope just seeing it is a little bit better of an explanation than me actually describing it. So I loop the crochet here where my braid is, and then I put the springy or afro kinky hair through my base, and then I start wrapping clockwise. So you don't have to do this too tight. That is why I love locks. The older they look, the better and more natural they are. So I wrap until I reach my first piece of curly hair, then I move it out of the way, and then I continue wrapping. Like I said, this was 30 inches, and at this point I think I've only used like a pack and a half of the hair. Like I said, in my package I got 4 bundles, so that is 96 pieces of faux lock, and I did not use all 4 packages. So I'm also showing you how I use the length. So depending on how long your hair is, you can just adjust how you want the spring hair to be, and then you start wrapping. And what I like about my technique of doing my individual crochet locks is that by doing this and making sure that your hair is separated from the actual faux lock, it will be easy to take down without your hair being knotted. Because I don't recommend not braiding your hair, or rather braiding and twisting your hair all the way down, so that you can actually see your hair and pull it through when it's time to remove the lock. So don't be lazy and not braid or twist your hair all the way down. That is going to be vital in separating your hair from the faux lock when it's time to take down. And like I told y'all, I did this in less than 3 hours minus the braid down, and I just love how quick and easy of a protective style faux locks are, or individual crochet faux locks are. They're easy to do, it looks professionally done, it's perfect for vacation, for the winter, just all around, all season, any time of the year. Now at this point I have used 2 full bundles of the hair, and this is what we have. Like I told y'all, I just love doing individual crochet because it allows me control of how much hair I use, as opposed to like braiding down my hair and just crocheting the hair on top. Individual crochet is lighter to me. It feels more comfortable. I can do way more styles with it. It looks professionally done, and just overall a more sleek look that I am just in love with. Okay, so this isn't the final look. I end up using 2 and about a half packs of hair, or just call it 3 bundles. So I end up using 3 bundles total, and this is how the hair is looking. It is so flawless, it's full, and I'm just loving it. You can't tell me I didn't get this professionally done. And like I said, took us less than 3 hours minus the braid on. And I say minus the braid on because I did that the day before, so it doesn't count. So I go ahead and I spray some water. What I love about boho braids, or locks rather, is that I don't like to use mousse most of the time, because I feel like the hair stays fluffy when you just use water and some oil sheen, especially because it's curly human hair. It leaves it light and fluffy. Let me know what you guys think about this look. Like, I am obsessed. It is giving real Caribbean beauty empress. It looks like I'm ready for a vacation, and honestly, I'm not even going anywhere. This is just gonna be my style for a minute. Let me know what you guys think about this look. All the details will be in the description box down below. I love y'all so much for watching. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.